Hello there, this is Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you a must-have app for both Android and iOS, which is going to let you earn money for whatever post you post on their platform. So if you're new here and you want to know more, just stick around, watch throughout to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So the name of the application is called Display. Initially this app was called Sue app, but now it's been changed and it's called Display. So when you check out the app right here, it looks like Instagram, TikTok, but you can post images and also post videos. And yeah, that is basically very cool. You can even promote whatever you do right here. So I'm using this app actually to promote my YouTube video. So when I go to my profile and you see right here, I have this video on my YouTube channel. This one also is here on my YouTube channel, with this too also on my YouTube channel, and you can see I'm just using this app to just promote whatever I have on my YouTube channel. And when you check right here, the sweetest thing about this app is you see the supporters right here. These are the people who like the content I produce right here on the app, and then they tapped on it and an ad is going to play. So the ad which is going to play for them, like maybe using another application, and then maybe an ad plays whilst you want to open another page, or probably maybe you want to download something and an ad plays on an application. This is how the support works, and it's going to play the ads, and that money is just coming straight to me. So if maybe you post something and someone likes it, they click on support and the money comes to you. So let me just go to my home and I'm going to show you one thing. So you see right here, this guy has one support, meaning someone has been able to just tap on it for an ad to show for the person to support this image the person brought right here. Maybe it's nice, it's cool, and they feel like this is nice, so I'm just going to pay this guy, and then you tap on it and then you're just going to pay the person. So that is how you're also going to make money when you start posting on this platform. And it's not as if you're going to just make money with this feature right here alone. When you scroll through like this, after the third post, you're going to see an ad. So there's an ad here right here. You can see the Google sign right here. There's an ad, and for me seeing this ad, there's a revenue. The people I was able to see their content are going to get. So this revenue right here is going to be split among the creators right here. So these three creators, 1, 2, 3, they are going to split this revenue right here to them, and they're going to get it. So Sue is actually also going to take one part of the revenue. So it is more or less like 4 people trying to just share this right here. So the owners of the Display app are going to get some share of this revenue right here, and this person is also going to get it, and this person is also going to get, and this person is also going to get. So 4 people are just going to share this revenue right here. That is the ad beneath right here. When you scroll again, you're going to see the first account, second account, third account, and the next one is going to be an ad right here. You see, and it's still the same. So it goes on and goes on. So it's not as if maybe whatever content you post right here is not going to get any revenue, or maybe you don't get people to support you. Just forget about that. People are going to post even when they don't watch whatever you posted, and they just scroll through. Provided you just see ads next year, it means you've been monetized, you've been paid, you're going to get some incentives. So one thing you also should know is it's not as if maybe just getting support and also scrolling through to see ads is going to make it look like that is where you're going to get money alone. When you tap on this side right here and then you go to invite friends right here, you're going to see that when you share your link, your invite link to anyone, you're going to earn some money, 25 cents whenever someone sign up with your link, and that is basically very cool. So I have a link in my description which is my invite link. So you tap on it and then you just sign up with this link right here. And the sweetest part is you're also going to make some money when you actually use my link to sign up. So it's like a win-win. We both are going to win. So you sign up, you get some incentives, I also get some incentives right there. So that is basically very cool. And again, one thing I like about this app right here is my stuff right here. You see, I named it like that, and you're going to be able to do a shop for yourself. So there's actually an Amazon shop right here, and you can put something here in your shop, and people are just gonna come here and then pick anything. When they purchase it, you're gonna get some money. Seriously, I just didn't see it as I'm going to do this great things right here. So these are the things I've placed in the shop right here. So if maybe someone want to get the phone, or want to get this airport case, or maybe this iPhone case, or this decal for their laptops, you just tap on it like this, and then when they click on shop now right here, they click on shop now right here, and it's going to take them to Amazon straight. And you know, with Amazon associates, when someone signs up with your link, you're just going to get some incentives right here. And this app has embedded Amazon into the app, and you're going to be able to just make someone buy something from your shop, and you're going to earn your incentive. So I think this is basically very cool. So you see right here, there's the amount of money I've made on my account so far, which is not much, and when I reach a minimum of $25, I'm going to be able to just withdraw. So I'm just gonna make a second video when I'm able to reach this threshold to show you guys how this app is really working, and yes, it's pays, so that you guys will just take it serious. And even if you're watching this video right now, I want to share with you that this app works and it's paying a lot of people. So if you want to just post and then earn some money, just like how you post on Instagram and then Facebook without you earning anything, on Twitter without you earning anything, you can post on this app right here. This is a display app and you're gonna earn a lot of money. You can also go live on this app right here. When you tap on Dolby Live right here, you're gonna see everything right here, and then when you tap on it, you're gonna go live directly. They're telling me my internet is very slow, so I'm not gonna be able to start a live stream. But as time goes on, if maybe you sign up and then you just come here, you're gonna be able to just go live anytime you talk to your followers and whatever. You can see right here, I've been using the app for a while because I have 1,000 followers right here, and then I'm following 900 people. What you need to do is to get followers on this app is nothing. You just have to post consistently, because I tried posting. I just had people coming to my page when I just posted about 4 pictures or 4 images or something. So I started with this right here, and then I posted this, and then people started coming to my page, and then I started posting this, and people started following me, and then I just got a lot of people. And again, one cool way you're going to be able to earn followers on this platform too is you tap on this 3 side right here, and you're going to click on communities right here, which is in beta, and you're going to look for communities right here, and then you accept them, you join them, and you can just post anything you feel like you want to post there. But basically you should just find an open community where you're going to be able to just post, because some of the communities will have to review whatever you post right there. So you join a community which is open, and you're going to be able to just share whatever content you feel like you want to share right there, and you're going to get more people following you and more people engaging in whatever you post. So you can see I just posted something today, and already I'm just getting people to just patronize on whatever I posted, and basically that is very cool. It's gonna make me get some couple of views right here. So you can see I have 3 likes over here right there, and then I post my YouTube videos right here, and then people are just gonna watch it from there, and I'm gonna get some insane. So when I tap on this link right here, it's gonna take me to my YouTube channel, and basically it's gonna play my video. So this is how you can also promote whatever product or whatever thing you are doing on the internet. If you want to promote your IG pages or something, you can just post a picture right here, and then you just put in your link, and basically it's gonna make people come to your page and then follow you, or whatever you do, they just support you right there. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share to anyone you think they're gonna like this video, and again, you can use the link in my description so that we both are gonna make some money right there. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.